Day 18, simple future tense, positive questions. Now let us come to positive questions in simple future tense. Now, as we have seen in earlier lessons also, we take the helping verb and put it before the subject, and that is the wonder and the beauty of English, that when you do that, it becomes a question. Now let's see some examples. I will go to the market. What do we do? The subject is I, the helping verb is will. Exchange their places. Bring the helping verb before the subject. Yes, it becomes a question. Will I go to the market? You're asking yourself. He will go to the market. Will he go to the market? They will go to the market. Will they go to the market? So you are bringing the helping verb before the subject. They will go to the market. They will they go to the market? It's as simple as that. So we bring the helping verb will in front of the subject. For I, we actually do not use will but use shall for questions. For example, suppose you have a question like, shall I go to the market? Shall we go to the market? So for I and we, will becomes shall. Okay? And it becomes like a proposal. Shall we? Shall I? And it becomes like a proposal. Now, we do the exercise 1. Read the following sentences thoroughly. All the sentences are in the above structure. Will you help me? Will he give the money tomorrow? Will they come to the party tomorrow? Will she come to school tomorrow? Will India win the match today? Will she punish you tomorrow? Will they wait for us? Will Ravi work there? Will he fold the paper? All these are future sentences. Sentences naming the future actions. Will she complete syllabus? Will she color the pictures? Will you clean the room? Will he bake the cake? Will he appreciate you? Will they follow you in the future? All these are future. They are not about present or past. They are about the future. Will you increase his salary in the future? Will you ignore my mistakes from now, which means future? Will they plant the trees from tomorrow? Will he suspect me tomorrow? Will you pour some water? Will she trust me from now on? Will she trust me? Future. Will you pray to God from tomorrow, from now? Future. Will they print the books? Future. Will you use this? Will you search for my keys? So all these sentences are sentences in simple future. I think it's become very clear to you. You can now do exercise 2. Use the following clues and make sentences in the above structure. You shut your mouth. Will you shut your mouth? He bow his head. Will he bow his head? These are all future. Ravi help us. Will Ravi help us? She learns science. Will she learn science? Rani pass this information. Will Rani pass this information? He wait for us. Will he wait for us? Mohan kick the ball. Will Mohan kick the ball? He call you. Will he call you? They ask help. Will they ask help? They announce results. Will they announce results? She sing a song. Will she sing a song tomorrow? All these are about future. Kantam wash clothes. Will Kantam wash the clothes? They catch him. Will they catch him? We have our lunch. Shall we have our lunch? Because we and I in questions will becomes shall. He drink tea. Will he drink tea? They play cricket. Will they play cricket? He dance. Will he dance? You forgive me. Will you forgive me? So see, all you are doing is bring the will before the subject. Ramana write the exam. Will Ramana write the exam in the future? Jaya cook the food. Will Jaya cook the food? He talk with us. Will he talk with us? We go out. Shall we go out? Because this is we make it shall. They count your marks. Will they count your marks? You wear jeans pant. Will you wear jeans pant? You take rest. Will you take rest? And that brings us to the end of exercise 2 and makes the structure completely clear. Now you can do exercise 3. Use 10 verbs from the verbs list and make sentences in the above structure. This structure is so simple now, has become so simple now because we have done enough practice with it. definitely you will if you write 10 sentences, you will become forever correct in the structure. Now let's do